Court came to town today, and TV6 Investigates spent the evening learning about a major local case that is now in their hands.
Those are the headlines topping your nightly news at 10. Good evening, I'm Kate Kopatich. We first start off with why the Iowa Supreme Court was in the Quad Cities.
And I'm William Ingalls. The Iowa Supreme Court took to the road, as they do a few times each year, and held a hearing of sorts in Bettendorf tonight. And TV6 Investigate Matt Christensen was there this evening, and the court didn't just stop here. They are doing something that actually has a lot of weight and value that's going to be decided here as well.
Yeah, that's right, William. In any Supreme Court case, there's a lot at stake. But at issue here in this case is whether the Scott County Public Defender's Office can opt out of cases when they have temporary overloads. The public defenders say they're overworked, 200, 300 cases at a time. Wow. But a judge has declined to appoint private attorneys that could take up the slack. Here's the public defender's office in court today.
The district court has the duty to appoint subsequent counsel. We are here because the Scott County District Court is acting unlawfully when they are continuing to obligate the public defender's office after the case has been returned.
So what's the argument the district court judges are making? Why aren't they going to appoint those attorneys that you mentioned?
Yeah, great question. The judges say that there aren't enough private attorneys to take on the work of all these public defenders. Now, here's the answer that the state's lawyer gave to a question about how public defenders should be communicating their overloads to the judges.
You simply ask maybe, why do you believe you're temporarily overloaded? Do you have a time or a date at which the temporary overload you believe will be over? I see I'm over on time.
Please go.
But
keep talking.
Those would probably be the two inquiries.
All right, the big question now, what happens next, Matt?
Yeah, so the justices are going to discuss this case in private as early as Thursday, but it might not be until late June that we actually hear a decision.
All right, might have to wait a little bit, but a big case and a lot at stake here. Matt, thank you for that report. And the justices, they also spent time meeting with students about the three branches of government and the court's role in our democracy.